Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green and giving you your mid-May update on how lawns are looking after our winter freeze back from December and then in January. In December we hit 8 degrees, and then in January we had a good ice storm roll through. For the most part, the Bermuda lawns, they're looking great. They've filled in. The Zoysia lawns, they're looking kind of splotchy at this point, but they are filling back in, and I expect them to make a full recovery. With St. Augustine, and this lawn is a pretty good example, it's kind of a tale of two cities. If the lawn looked good in July and August of last year, for the most part, they're bouncing back and looking okay and filling in. That's this lawn. You can see it's not happy, but it is starting to fill back in, and I expect it to make a full recovery. But then we get over into this part of the lawn, and there's just almost nothing left. This area I monitored last year. It's not one of our lawns, but I walked past it frequently, and it wasn't getting the amount of water that it needed over the summertime, and it struggled. And as a result, the root system got damaged, and it's just not coming back. This will need to be resodded. So again, the rule of thumb seems to be, if you watered last year, you got this result. If not, you got this result. I will say I am seeing a few areas that look like this, that I do have records of the lawns look good in July and August, and for whatever reason the freeze just hit it harder than typical. But for the most part, this is a sign of underwatering in the prior year. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.